morning, everyone. It's time to start our day. Clap your hands and sing along. Hip, hip, hooray. Wave to a friend and give a smile. We'll learn together for a while.
What day is it? What day is it? Let's sing them all together quick. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday too. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, woohoo! Saturday comes at the end of the week. Now tell me, friends, which day do we seek? Today is Monday, yay! What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Cloudy, windy? What do you say? Check the sky and tell me now. What's the weather all about? It's spring these days. It's spring these days. How are you feeling? How do you feel? Show me your face, let's make it real. Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you sleepy or just glad? Point to your heart and let it show. Your feelings help your teacher know. We are happy today. We are happy today. Let's share together one by one. Something special, something fun. Raise your hand, it's time to say what you love about today. Maybe it's your toy or game, maybe a smile, it's all the same. Sharing is caring. We care for each other. It's a happy morning, clap your hands. Jump up high, let's take a stand. Stretch up tall, then touch your toes. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your nose. Spin around, then sit back down. Ready to learn, we won't frown. Spin around, then sit back down. Ready to learn, we won't frown. Circle time is ending now. We've learned so much, we'll take a bow. Give a smile, give a cheer. Let's make this the best day of the year.
Circle time is ending now. We've learned so much. We'll take a bow. Give a smile, give a cheer. Let's make this the best day of the year.